Hey, welcome back in new video. In this video, I am telling you how to upload your resume and CV on your LinkedIn profile, where you can share your resume and in new jobs application. Hey, open browser and search here LinkedIn. Click the LinkedIn prof and open it. Select first LinkedIn option and open it. LinkedIn is opening, so it is a home page where you come after open LinkedIn. On the top side you can see here many option, networks, notification, and here is a profile option. Click the profile option and then come down and select setting and privacy option. Click here. Setting privacy option is opening, so here it is a account setting, so come down and select the data privacy option. This is the data privacy option. Again scroll down. After scrolling down you can see here this option, so select the job application setting option. Click here. Here is the option where you upload your resume in PDFs and other formats, and you can enable its option. After enable, recruiter can see your resume and CVs, so you can upload here resume. Click the upload resume. Click here. After click here you can select your document is upload. Your resume come here. It has two option, delete and download. You can delete here and download this document. You can also more uploading your resume. If you have already resume here, you can need to upgrade. You can delete this document and again upload. If you want this video is helpful, please like and comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks.